W for wheel of family, O for ocean of knowledge, M for mirror of children, A for address of love, N for navigator of lifeboat. This is woman. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here is Afrin Ali from English Zone English Train Academy. First of all, thank you English Zone for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And second, happy birthday, sir.
Thank you.
We all want to make lots of happiness and progress in your life.
Thank you.
And today I'm here to talk about woman empowerment. आप में से ऐसे कौन कौन से शख्स हैं जो ये चाहते हैं कि महिलाएं और बेटियां आगे बढ़े? If you want, so please raise your hand. Raise your hand. अगर आप चाहते हो कि महिलाएं आगे बढ़े, गर्ल्स आगे बढ़े, so
Girls are not supporting more. The man
very
everyone
nice,
is putting the hand.
very nice. So with public demand today, I'm talk about woman empowerment. So woman empowerment is empowering the woman to take their own decision for personal development as well as the social development. As you all know, guys, that what was the status of women in the society earlier? They were not have right like a man, but some such a great man came who improved the condition of woman, and today the status of woman has improved a lot. In earlier, women were treated very bad by society and family. They were not allowed to leave their houses. But now, the things are totally changed. Because women make up half of the country, so to entire country make up powerful, woman empowerment is very necessary for us. Society also should treating them with proper respect, dignity, fairness and equality. Society benefits when women are treated with respect. When women are not treated with respect, women are treated as a second-class citizen, so it's not good for our society. So, women is used to be limited their household work. They were not allowed to leave their houses for employment before. But now, the things are totally changed. Today, women have reached space also. Are you agree? आज महिलाएं कहाँ तक पहुँच गई है? स्पेस तक, अंतरिक्ष तक पहुँच गई है. आप जानते हो कल्पना चावला के बारे में? Today, women are managing their house as well as the country well. आज महिलाएं जिस अच्छी तरीके से अपना घर संभालती है, उतनी अच्छी तरीके से पूरा देश भी चलाती है. राइट है क्या रॉन्ग है? राइट है क्या रॉन्ग है? राइट है बॉयज? राइट है क्या रॉन्ग है? राइट. So today, women are managing their house as well as the country well. So now I'm going to take the names of some such a women who are really inspiration for us. झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, कल्पना चावला, इंदिरा गांधी, जस्टिस बीबी फातिमा, पीटी उषा, etc. If I'm talk about the girls of Makrana, they are ahead in every field. In Makrana, girls become everything like doctor, CA, nursing officer, designer, engineer, etc. Are you agree with this point? Yes. Girls, are you agree this point? Yes. Exactly. So today in Makrana, in today's generation, there is no field left in which women are not working. Today, women reached space also, and today women become everything. And today, women are represent their skills and abilities in every field. So now, I would like to end my speech with this beautiful poem, which is I Create My Own. Are you excited? Yes. Are you excited to listening this poem? Yes. Are you? Yes. हौसलों से भरती है ऊंची उड़ान, हौसलों से भरती है ऊंची उड़ान, ना कोई शिकायत ना कोई थकान, ना कोई शिकायत ना कोई थकान, सबके जीवन का आधार है वो, सबके जीवन का आधार है वो, हमारे जीवन को स्वर्ग बनाती है वो, हमारे जीवन को स्वर्ग बनाती है वो, मगर चेहरे पर एक अलग मुस्कान रखती है वो, मगर चेहरे पर एक अलग मुस्कान रखती है वो। तुम सभी मिलकर करना इसका सम्मान, तुम सभी मिलकर करना इसका सम्मान, क्योंकि यही तो है हमारे भारत की पहचान। तो आई सैल्यूट ऑल वुमेन। तो आप सभी खड़े होकर के एक बार सभी वुमेन्स को सैल्यूट करेंगे मेरे साथ, प्लीज।
खड़े हो जाओ, थोड़ी ब्लड सर्कुलेशन रुक जाएगा आपका। एग्जैक्टली।
थैंक यू। आप सभी बैठ जाइए। अब आप सभी पब्लिक डिमांड पर एक नज्म में डेडिकेट करना चाहूंगी मेरी माओं के लिए, मेरी बहनों के लिए, मेरे सीनियर्स के लिए, मेरे जूनियर्स के लिए और सभी मकराना वासियों के लिए। कोई चेहरा है कोमल कली का, रूप कोई सलोनी परी का, इनसे सीखो सबक जिंदगी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का, ये अगर है तो रोशन जहां है, ये ज़मीं है और आसमां है वजूद इनसे ही आदमी का। एक साथ मेरे साथ बोलेंगे, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी